and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 4D and I turn it up. Designated driver, take the keys to my truck. Hit the shore cause I'm faded. Honey's in the streets, St. Max, yeah we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hit a party and say I'm kinda buzzed and it's all because this is how we do it. Hell's Kitchen does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back.
This is how we do it.
When I step on the scene, y'all know me. Cause I walk with a limp like an old school pimp or a real OG. I'm rocking Vans, I'm in the scene. I got a Red Bull and vodka up in my hand. Hey, you look kinda cute, hey, in that polka dot bikini, girl. Hey, this what I wanna do. Take off that polka dot bikini, girl. Drink all day, play all night. Let's get it poppin'. I'm in Miami trick. Drink all day, play all night. Let's get it poppin'. I'm in Miami trick. Everybody on smash, hands in the air. I'm feeling on the ass like a nigga don't care. I got a plan.